Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we solve a train average speed word problem step by step using algebra. A train travels at average speed for a distance of 63 km and then it travels at a distance of 72 km at an average speed of 6 km per hour, more than its original speed. If it takes 3 hours to complete the total journey, what is the original average speed? So initially, the train covers a distance of 63 km a certain average speed. So we are going to take it as a original average speed. We don't know, so it can be represented as x kilometer per hour. And then it travels at a distance. This is distance 1. We can consider this as speed 1. And another one is distance 2, which is 72 kilometer at an average speed. This is, we can mention it as 2. The average speed is 6 km per hour, more than its original speed, which is x. It takes 3 hours, so time taken, which is 3 hours. So we know the distance and the speed as well as the time, okay? I mean, we don't know the speed, we know the distance and the time, and we have to find out the speed of it. So let's write down the formula. Time equal to distance divided by speed. So here the time taken is 3 hours. The distance, first one is 63 kilometer, which has x as the speed, plus 72 over x plus 6. Let's take an LCM. So 63 times x plus 6 plus 72x over x times x plus 6. The left side, the time taken is 3. I'm going to multiply it with 3 times 3 into x times x plus 6. Okay, so let's multiply this first, which is x squared plus 6x, which is equal to 63x plus 63 times 6 is 378 plus 72x. So here 3x squared plus 18x, which is 135x plus 378. Let's move everything to the left side. 3x squared plus 18x minus 135x and minus 378, which is equal to 0. So let's subtract 135 minus 18, which is 117. Three x squared minus 117x minus 378, which is equal to 0. We can divide the entire equation by 3, which gives x squared minus 39x minus 126, which is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. We need to find the factor for negative 126. So let's do this. So which is 63, 3 times 21, 3 times 7. So let's do that. Negative 126, the factors are 42 times 3. So negative 42 plus 3. So the equation can be written as x minus 42, x plus 3, which is equal to 0. So x is 42 and negative 3. So we cannot take the negative values, hence x value is 42. Hope you understand this program. Understand this problem. If you have any questions, do comment so that I can upload the questions. Thank you. Have a great day.